Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is geochronology the study of? Is it A. the preparation of books and manuscripts? B. the functions of the nervous system? C. the age of the Earth? Or D. the biosphere and its relations to the lithosphere and atmosphere? The answer is C. the age of the Earth.
Geochronology, the science of determining Earth's age, is like a time machine for rocks. By analyzing isotopes in minerals, scientists can date events from billions of years ago. This field has revealed that Earth is about 4.54 billion years old, older than any known rock band.
Question 2. What is cardiology the study of? Is it A. poker? B. the heart? C. Japanese people? Or D. knots? The answer is B. the heart.
Cardiology, the study of the heart, delves into an organ that beats about 100,000 times a day. This tireless muscle pumps approximately 2,000 gallons of blood daily through a network of vessels over 60,000 miles long, enough to circle the Earth twice. It's truly the body's most dedicated workhorse.
Question 3. What is a baby turkey known as? Is it A. a poult? B. a fawn? C. an eaglet? Or D. an infant? The answer is A. a poult.
A baby turkey is called a poult, and these little fluff balls are surprisingly independent. Within just a few hours of hatching, poults can walk, feed themselves, and even start exploring their surroundings. Despite their early independence, they rely on the warmth and protection of their mother for the first few weeks.
Question 4. What is onomatology the study of? Is it A. proper names? B. interactions between organisms and geomorphological processes? C. prehistoric metaphytes? Or D. prehistoric metazoans? The answer is A. proper names.
Onomatology, the study of proper names, delves into the fascinating world of etymology and cultural significance. Names often carry stories from history, revealing insights about societal norms and traditions. For instance, Alexander means defender of men, reflecting a legacy of leadership and strength that has persisted through centuries across various cultures.
Question 5. What is the lowest grade of coal called? Is it A. lignite? B. iodine? C. quartz? Or D. metamorphosis? The answer is A. lignite.
Lignite, often dubbed brown coal, is the youngest form of coal and has a distinct earthy appearance. It contains about 25 to 35% carbon, making it less efficient for energy production compared to other coals. Despite this, lignite is crucial in some regions due to its abundance and lower mining costs.
Question 6. What is palynology the study of? Is it A. pollen? B. drugs? C. musical instruments? Or D. study of refuse and trash? The answer is A. pollen.
Palynology, the study of pollen, offers a fascinating glimpse into Earth's history. By analyzing ancient pollen grains preserved in sediments, scientists can reconstruct past climates and ecosystems. This field even aids in solving crimes by tracing pollen evidence to specific locations, making it a botanical detective's dream.
Question 7. What is testosterone? Is it A, a gland, B, a hormone, C, a sugar, or D, an amino acid? The answer is B, a hormone.
Testosterone, often dubbed the hormone of desire, plays a crucial role beyond just fueling passion. It influences muscle mass, bone density, and even mood regulation. Interestingly, both men and women produce testosterone, though in different amounts. In the animal kingdom, some female species have higher testosterone levels than their male counterparts to assert dominance.
Question 8. Which chemical has the atomic number 1? Is it A, helium, B, carbon, C, hydrogen, or D, oxygen? The answer is C, hydrogen.
Hydrogen, the universe's most abundant element, fuels the stars through nuclear fusion. This lightest element was named after the Greek words hydro and genes, meaning water-forming. Discovered by Henry Cavendish in 1766, hydrogen is not only a cosmic powerhouse but also a potential clean energy source for Earth's future.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope you had a blast and didn't find it too elementary. Until next time, keep your curiosity in orbit. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.